Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you how to convert your MKV video extension files to MP4 video extension files. In order to do that, I have here an example, and this is a video which has the extension MKV. Let's see what's going on here. I'm gonna open it. You're gonna see I am explaining something in Svelte. And now here I have OBS video on the right screen. And from files, I'm gonna say Remux recordings. It's very simple, it's very fast, don't worry. From here, I'm gonna press the three dots. I'm gonna select my file from desktop. I'm gonna select my MVK file. I select it, and you see the target file is the same name, but it has the extension of MP4. I say Remux here. I'm gonna put it a little bit to the side. I say Remux, and it's done. See, we have here now the MP4 format. Let's see what's going on here. I'm gonna open it, and everything is running smoothly. So that video was like this. Thanks for watching me, and please like this video, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents. Thanks for watching me, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.